The pros and cons of owning a motorcycle. Motorcycles have a certain charm that's hard to ignore. They symbolize freedom, adventure, and a break from the monotony of four-wheeled commutes. If you've been daydreaming about cruising down scenic highways or cutting through urban traffic, you might seriously consider buying one. But is owning a bike as exhilarating as it sounds? The pros. Fuel efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of motorcycles is their fuel efficiency. With fluctuating gas prices, motorcycles are a cost-effective option for daily commutes and road trips. Riders consistently save money at the pump, adding to significant long-term savings. Compact size. Another standout benefit lies in their maneuverability. Navigating through congested city streets or finding parking on a busy day becomes much less frustrating with a motorcycle. Their compact size lets you cut through traffic where cars can't, and parking spaces, which would be impossible for larger vehicles, are easy to snag. Fun to drive. Then there's the undeniable thrill of riding. Few experiences match the pure enjoyment of being on the open road with the wind hitting your face. Riding a motorcycle offers a sensory connection to the road that drivers of enclosed vehicles don't get. Beyond the individual joy, a motorcycle opens doors to a vibrant community. Riders often form groups, share tips, and attend local or national events. The camaraderie among motorcycle enthusiasts can make owning a bike feel like joining a club. The cons. Safety risks. Owning a motorcycle does come with its risks. Safety is the most pressing concern for many potential riders. Unlike cars, motorcycles don't come with the same level of protection in the event of an accident, leaving riders vulnerable. Even with the best defensive driving skills, you're at higher risk when sharing the road with distracted drivers. Weather restrictions. The weather also heavily influences your riding experience. Rain, snow, or extreme heat can turn a pleasant ride into an ordeal. Unlike cars, motorcycles offer little to no protection against the elements, and weather conditions can impact your plans far more often than you'd like. Gear and insurance. When budgeting for a motorcycle, you'll also need to factor in the cost of gear and maintenance. A safe riding experience requires a good quality helmet, gloves, jacket, and boots, all of which can add up quickly. Regular servicing can also strain your wallet over time. Of course, you'll also need to purchase motorcycle insurance, which is crucial for protecting your bike and finances. Motorcycle storage. Storage is another challenge, particularly for urban riders. Unlike a car, safely storing a bike requires covered or indoor parking to prevent damage from weather or theft. This storage could be inconvenient if you lack a garage or secure area. Owning a motorcycle brings both incredible perks and serious considerations. Ultimately, the decision will depend on your priorities and lifestyle. If the thrill of the ride outweighs the challenges, a motorcycle could be your ticket to a more active and adventurous commute. Just weigh the pros and cons carefully before purchasing.